Now we'll start building our Saturn gear set. We've got our Saturn 60 with its axle put in it. And we'll grab our Saturn dowel hub and we'll just slide the Saturn into the dowel hub like that, and then we'll grab this gear and we'll put our Saturn drive rod in. Which may take a little pressing. Just stick it in there like that. And that should be in there nice and solid. And then we'll slide this gear over the hub like that. And this will allow these two to turn together, and that little bit of sliding there in the slot will allow for the gears to actually have the planetary wobble. And then we'll put this little bearing on here, which sometimes takes a little bit of doing to get it up there, but it has to be nice and tight so it doesn't go slip sliding around. And we'll push it up, and this holds this assembly together like that. And it may feel kind of locked up, so you want to give it just a little grunt of a wiggle, and that gives it just that little bit of wiggle room, and now it turns smoothly. Now this gets installed into here, and I always, to start with, install it with the wobbly hub far away from the center. We can always turn it later. So I want the gear as far away as possible from the middle. And we just plug that in there like that. Later on we'll add a little bit of super glue to that to keep it. And there's that assembly. That actually performs a gear ratio adjustment. That little wobble rod in there allows the one gear to turn faster and slower compared to the other gear. And we'll turn that out like that. And then we'll get ready to do our Jupiter.